So for this video, we will solve this one. Sine b minus a is equal to blank when b is equal to 270 degrees and a is an acute angle. So it will become like this kasi we are given a b of 270. So we will write it here. B, which is 270 minus a. Okay? And as you can see, is the difference between the two angles. So we can use the difference, the formula of the difference of the two angles, which is sin cos, sin cos. So I'll write it here. Sine of our b minus a. Ito yung formula niya. B minus a. Okay, so you can write it as sine of b cos of a minus sine of a cos of b. Okay. So, change lang natin yung b na value, which is 270. So, basically, ito, that will now be sine of your 270. Okay. Then, we don't know the value of a, so as is lang yan, cos a minus sine of a cos of 270. Okay, cos of 270, 170. So I have here a calculator. Let's calculate sine 270. So sine of 270, that is equal to negative 1. So we will write it here. It's negative 1 and copy natin. Let's copy cosine A. And then, of course, let's copy again sine A. Okay. And then, let's get cos 270. So, let's use this calculator. We have cos of 270 that is equal to 0. So, lalagay natin dito ang 0. Okay? However, as you can see, a number that is multiplied by 0 is 0. So, magiging 0 yan siya. And, i-multiply natin sa negative 1 and cosine A. So, basically, the answer here sa ating sine 270, sine of the angle quantity 270 minus A is just equal to negative cosine of your A.